This is why you never try and crimp anything without the proper tools. This was just smashed on with a pair of vice grips, I believe. I think that's how I did it. Now if we pull on this, here, let me put the camera down. Well, this one actually ain't coming off. Oh, there it went. I got it to move a little bit. Let's see if I can pull it off. There it comes. Okay. And drop it on the ground. But as you can see, pulled the terminal off. It took some force, unlike the other one I just did, and it hardly did anything. Now, I'm going to pop it back on. And I got my crimper here. I'm going to set the camera like it. But if we stick it in, y'all, just like that. Well, not like that. Shit. I just crimped it. I don't know if I caught it on video, but that is a crimp. I'm actually spinning the jacket. That ain't coming off at all. I like it. So, thought I'd do a little video on that.